Hey, what's going on, guys? And welcome to Backyard Smoke. Today, I'm just doing a quick unboxing of the S&S Slow and Sear that will fit into my Weber 22-inch kettle grill. Just kind of wanted to share with you guys, get my first impressions of what I think this is. I've heard a lot about it online. I'm sure you have too. You've been grilling for as long as I have. And I was like, you know what? Let's see what the hype is about. I did get the original one, not the deluxe, and I'll kind of go into why I chose the original over the deluxe in just a few minutes. But let's go ahead and get this undone. So as you can see, I have not unboxed this at all or undone it. Okay, so the packaging looks really good. Bubble wrap. It's definitely got some weight to it. If I am correct, this is 18 gauge steel with 18 gauge stainless steel. So that's pretty good. You could definitely feel the weight here. The welds look really nice. So I can get in here and show y'all these. The welds here look good for the water area. So a couple of things that sold me about this. One, I really liked that it had a 10-year warranty. So that is awesome. The reason that I went with the original over the deluxe is I didn't feel a need for the extra side as far as the grates at the bottom. I talked to some people, it didn't make a big difference or not. In addition to that, I did not feel a need to have a removable water pan as well. I feel if I'm going to use this, I'm going to use a water pan. If I was going to have a removable one, I would just go indirect and not have an issue. So thus I saved me some extra money and went with the original. And I do feel that this is built very well. I mean, I'm excited to use this on my first cook. It also came with the Slow and Sear guide. Talks about the cooking method, the low and slow, different things like that, different tips. So, I mean, nice little pamphlet here. Look, you know, a few things. I like it. So, the first I'm gonna cook on this is some beef short ribs. That's something I've been wanting to try a lot, and I figure what a better time to try it than with the S&S Slow and Sear. I don't really know what to expect with this. I've seen a lot of videos, but as everything else, I believe if you try it, you'll learn from it. So what we're going to do today, and I'm going to link the video in the description, is we're going to go ahead and prep some beef short ribs, and we're going to let them dry brine overnight, and then we're going to hit them in the morning. But first impressions of the Slow and Sear, I like it. It's great build quality, and I'm definitely excited to see where this goes. This is not a sponsored video. I brought this with my own money, paid for it myself. I really want to try it out. So we're going to go ahead and give this a try tomorrow. So if you guys are seeing this now, click over to the next video, beef short ribs. Let me know what you think. Other than that, thanks for watching, and God bless.